It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2016 GMC Yukon Denali. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding mirrors. We've also got the child lock buttons, auto express windows, and the programmable memory seat. This Denali comes with a premium Bose sound system, as well as the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, Denali badging in both headrests, power sunroof up above, telescopic steering wheel. To the left here, we've got the heads-up display button, the information button, some interior light buttons, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, the trailer brake, traction control, park assist, lane departure alert, power adjustable foot pedals. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert. On the right side, we've got the audio buttons. Here we have the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, power sunroof buttons, the rear liftgate button, programmable garage door opener, and OnStar. This is GM's Infotainment Center. The screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. To the left is the push start button. We've got the media buttons, including the DVD. Down below, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the rear climate control buttons, heated and cooled front leather seats, and just below that we've got some USB and power plug-ins. On top of the center console is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. We've also got fog lights, 22-inch Denali wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood, running boards down below, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert. As we make our way to the very back, we've got the power lift gate. We can pop that open with the push of a button. In the trunk, we've got the buttons to fold that third row seating down, a power plug-in, cargo hooks, and a smaller storage compartment located down below. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. On the passenger door, power windows and a cup holder. On the backs of both front seats, there are seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got the rear climate control buttons, heated rear seats, and some USB and power plug-ins. Up above, we have a rear DVD player. To gain access to the third row, use the center aisle or pull the lever located on the side of the seat and the tether on the back. In the third row, we've got 3 additional seats, some cup holders, and power plug-ins. So come take a look at the 2016 GMC Yukon Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.